I got it. Okay.
It won't.
Yeah, I got it. See. So if we want to bring any data from external files, for example, like from your computer, from anywhere you can bring data into the SAS environment. For that, you need infile statement and some options. Okay. So before that, we discuss about infile statement and the options. Then we will move on to this original topic. Okay. So now we are going to discuss about infile statements and what options. Okay. So in SAS environment we have different options. We have different options. What are those? First one is DLM, delimiter option. DLM means delimiter. By using this delimiter, two data values are getting separated. So the default delimiter in the SAS environment is space. I will explain you that later. Okay, let's move on to this delimiter. See, let me take an example. Which one? Maybe I will go to first. So I am taking this example. Why it's showing me everything in green? I didn't end the comment. Okay. Let me keep. Okay. Ruchika is having yesterday doubt, right? Why we are starting with 1 only? Let me start with 9, 2, 3. Okay. And let me take off this one space, and let me give some name here. Nature. Okay. I'm taking all extra spaces. This is how our normal program look like, right? See, I didn't include anything. This is how our normal program looks like. Let me run this program. So we got it right. So in SAS data values, default separated by SAS. These are the data values, are right? These yellow values are data values. By default, they are separated by space. Okay. So we no need to specify space or other space. If data values are separated by any other symbol, then we have to use delimiter or DST option. For example, see, I didn't mention anywhere or any statement saying that these data values are separated by SAS. So SAS automatically assumes that space is the default what separator for data values. Okay. For example, if this is separated by comma, let me separate everything by comma. Will that works? Is it going to work now? Let me try it whether it works or not. No, it didn't work. So if it is separated by comma, what we have to do in that case, we have to use infile infile where? In which file? In chords. Okay, in chords DLM equal to, DLM means delimiter. Okay, by which two data values are getting separated. See, by which two data values are getting separated. Okay, mention that in two quotes, mention comma. That means SAS understands these data values are separated by comma. Okay, now run the program. Now we got it right. Hello, hello, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So no questions, right? So far so good. Okay, I am
Yes,
moving
ma'am.
to next one. Okay, so we have the first option is DLM. DLM, if it is separated by comma, we are mentioning it in file where it is located in the quotes. DLM equal to, in two quotes we are giving comma as the DLM. For this comma we have another if it is separated by comma, we have another delimiter. That is, it is, there is a shortcut which is DSD option. This is another option. If there is, if it is separated by comma, you can simply give DSD, or you can also give DLM equal to, in between the quotes comma, or else you can mention DSD option also. This is the shortcut for comma if it is separated by comma. Okay, let me run the program. I got it. Okay, so for DLM equal to comma, DSD is the another option if it is separated by comma. What if it is separated by different symbols? Maybe this is separated by star, slash, and what? Maybe bracket, quote, and okay, let me try now. So what we have to do in this case, DLM equal to, you have to mention all the symbols. DLM equal to, in between the quotes you have to mention it was separated by star, slash, bracket, quote, then what, quote, okay, and comma. Now close the quotes. Okay, single quote. What happened? Something is wrong. See, okay, what happened? Did you guys notice what happened? I have separated it with quote, right? Here, so I have mentioned the quote over. Let me copy this and explain you guys. Okay, so in Flower, let me run this program. So it's reading correct. In Flower, what it do? The default SAS programming nature is what? It reads the program line by line, one after the other. In Flower also the same. If you, Flower is trying to explain, this is how SAS reads the program. There is nothing included in this. It is just whether we mention the floor statement or not, it's going to read the statement in this like this only, like line by line. Okay, any confusion in this? I'm just saying this is the infile chords miss over. Okay, now you can see it, right? Can I run the program? Guys, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now let me run the program. But you know what? If this is a miss over a trunk over option, right? Here, instead of keeping the dot, the for missing value, we use miss over option. We usually use dot for the missing option, right? Here we no need to keep that missing for missing value the dot. Let me run this. So it considered the missing option, right? Did I keep the dot? No. No, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So in the case of if there is any missing value, we use miss over or trunk over option. But the thing is, it just works efficiently for lost variable or lost data values only. If I didn't mention here, let me see whether it works or not. Okay, run the program. It's not working, right? So it basically works efficiently for lost data value or lost variable name. Okay, see, I'm going to remove this also. This is also last one, right? Let me run the program now. It works. See, we got it, right? Can we try ID? Can we try some numerics in the last value so that you will get much better clear idea whether it works for numerics or not? Let me try it. It's working, right? Are you guys clear with miss over or trunk over option? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
So let me try using the trunk over. Now you
Yes,
have
ma'am.
seen miss over, right? Let me try trunk over. It's also having the same function as miss over. Let me try now. So we got it. Okay. This is how miss over or trunk over works. Okay. Let me try giving flow over here. Whether it works or not. I'm trying crazy, but let me try it. It's not working, right? Now you understand the importance of miss over and flow over option. Let me try giving 3,
Yes, ma'am.
4, some value. Now I run the program with flow over option. It's working, right? In flow over option, if there is any missing values, it's not going to work. In that case, you have to mention missing value as dot. Now run the program. Let me try it this way. We got it, right? What I told you earlier, flow over option is just nothing but SAS default programming nature. Whether you mention it or not, it's going to work. Let me take this off. I am taking flow over option. Even though it works. See, I'm going to remove this. I have removed it. Now I'm running the program. It worked. So there is no need to give another statement, right? If it is working just like that, there is no need to give flow or option, right? Guys, any questions? Okay, you guys get it, right? Can we move on to the next option? Next one is stopover. Okay. Stopover. Try giving me stop over. Okay. Now try the program. Try running the program. Run. I got it. But let me remove this dot over here. Let me try now whether it works or not. It's still working. But what is the difference for flow over or miss over or for stopover? Let me take this off and now run the program. I have removed it. I think it is automated. I have removed this too. But why still it is showing the same thing? Let me try changing the name E or L. So now I'm running the program. Yes, I didn't get it. Why? See, there is a missing option in the second row. Huh? There is a missing option. I have run the program with stopover option, but see, when I run the program, it just stopped there and it is giving the result as this. That means it's correct or not? It's correct. So basically we use this stopover option which tells SAS to stop reading when you find a missing record and print the data it already in the data set. Okay, if there is any missing value, it should stop from there itself and it should not work like we are telling SAS to stop if there is a missing option, stop from that line. Let me try explain you in another way. I'm giving 1 here. I'm giving 9 and I will take off this 3. Now run the program. Can you guys tell the answer? What will be the answer? What will be the result? What is going to be printed? So we are giving this stopover option. If there is any missing option, until that only it's going to print. After that it's going to stop the program. That means it's going to print only these two. It's going to stop from here. Okay, let me run this. See, now I got it right. I didn't get the third observation. Why? There is a missing value. Have you seen it? So if there is any missing value, for example, if we have a data set which is containing 1000 values, okay, 1000 observations. In that 1000 observations, if you want to know if there is any missing value, you can use this stopover because it's going to stop from there later. If it is stopped at 500 data value means what? At 501 there is a missing value, so that's why it is stopped there. Any questions? Let me try removing this as well. No, it's not going to work for first one because it by maybe try it from the first one. Did it work? No, this one is okay, run. Okay, now input statement exceeded record length. Infile code option stopover specified. What it is saying? We have three variables. We have given three variable names, but in the first data value itself, it is missing. So did it print anything? So it didn't print anything. It's just saying, see what? What it is saying? Input statement exceeds record length. Infile code option stopover specified. So stopover specified and it didn't print anything. Okay. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear or not? You want me to explain again? See, now we have given first two data value observations, and for third one we are removing. Now see, for your understanding, I'm explaining again. Maybe try giving well, now run the program. See, we didn't get after from third observation because in third observation one value is missing. Is it clear, guys? Hello? Are you? Yes, ma'am. See, are you guys feeling sleepy? Hi. Is it boring or sleepy? It's good. Are you understanding? Is it good?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's good. Okay, let's move on to next topic. I forgot to ask you guys, how was your exam yesterday?
It's good.
It's good? Do you have exam today also?
Yes, ma'am. We have scheduled Monday to Friday. We have exams.
Okay, till when?
Yes, ma'am.
Till when you have classes?
We have exams, then we have to attend the classes from 12, I think. From looking at the schedule of the classes.
Okay, I have some simple topic now which can be finished in 10 minutes and I will end the session. You can go on prepare for your exam, okay? This is all about options, okay? We are discussing what? Infile statements and options. So we have mentioned infile statement and we are giving some options, okay? What are the options we have seen so far? Can you tell me, guys? Flow over, miss over, trunk over and stop over, okay? These are the options. Now we will look into creating the SAS data sets from importing data from text file, okay? This is what we are going to work in the actual industry environment, okay? Okay, let me write program. I'll finish it in 10 minutes, okay? Data. I'm giving the name G and infile. Where is the infile? What I said you earlier, what I told you earlier. I'm going to bring that from your system, from your computer, okay? Okay. I'm going to the desktop. I have some data files over here. Okay. What I'm going to is maybe I will get pension data files. Right click on that, go to the properties and go to security. In the object name, copy this path. Okay, copy this path and now close it. We don't.
Okay.
Now I'm going to put that in quotations. Okay. Now end this with semicolon. So, but here what you have to do is you also have to mention input statement with the variable names. So what are the variables in this data? What we have open pension, right? We are trying to bring pension data into the SAS environment. Let me go and see. Okay, this is the pension. How many variables names we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 variable names. Do we know these variable names? No. We already have variable list data files. Don't worry guys, I will share this data files with you. Okay, now I'm going to variable names. Which one I have taken? Pension, right? For pension, copy this data variable names. Copy. Okay. So what is this? So how many we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So do we have data variables in correct? How many we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. We have 7 and 7, right? So that means it matches. I'm closing this. I don't want that anymore. Okay, now I'm giving here variable names. Control V. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, just run the program. I'm running the program. Okay, now where this will be stored? If we get anything into the SAS environment, where this is going to store? Anyone? Anyone can answer. Where this will be stored? I just ran this program.
Work library.
Very good. I'm going into the libraries. Just check in the work library. So what is our data set name? G. Do we have it? Yes, we have G. See, we got it. Okay? Is it easy?
Yes.
Okay. Now go into the log to check whether is there any mistakes or errors. Okay? Everything correct, right? So what log is saying? The data set work.g has 1000 observations and 7 variable. So overall how many we have here? 1000 observations and 7 variables. Okay? Let's, if you want to check, see we have 1000 observations and 7 variables. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I move on to next one? So this is how we bring our data files or any files into the SAS environment. Let's try another example and end the session. Okay? In file, okay, in between the quotations, so let's go and bring which one you want. Can I go and try person 1? For person 1, what we have to do? Go to the properties, click on security. In the object name, copy the path. Okay, copy the path. I'm going to close it. I don't need it anymore. Come to the SAS. In between the quotations, paste it. Okay. Now then what? Input. We need variable names. Okay. I have to forgot the give semicolon. Okay. So in the input, where is our variable names? In different file, right? Go to this and person 1, right? So for person 1, and whenever you are taking variable names, just to make sure, check what you have in your actual data set. Okay, where is it? Therefore, so we are working on person 1. We have 3 variables here and just cross check it. How many variables we have? 3 variables and 3 observations. Okay, close it, close it. We have already copied it, I think. Maybe I will copy it again. Close it. We don't need it again. Okay. Now run the program. Did I got this or not? No, right?
Yes.
Did I got it or not? No, right? I didn't get it because I forgot the colon, semicolon. You guys didn't tell me. I was thinking you guys will tell me. See, now I got it. Okay. What happened? What's wrong here? Can you guys tell me what happened here? I have given everything. I have given input as earlier. What happened? It's not opening. It's saying there is nothing in this file. What happened? You guys have to speak up.
Yes, ma'am.
What happened? You can also print this. You can print this also, print. Sorry, proc print data equal to lu run. So can I run the program now? There is some mistake. What's the mistake? Invalid data errors for file
File.
occurred outside the printed range. Increase available buffer lines with the infile n equal to option. What happened? Can I go and see it? Person 1. Okay. Now, how these values are separated? One space? No, right? It was separated by tab. For tab, what we have to mention? There is a shortcut for tab. Okay. Did you guys following me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let me close this window. Okay. So earlier we gave the same thing, we got it, but because earlier by default we separate all the data values here by one space, right? That's what we did every time, right? But here what happened, it was separated by tab. So for that we have to, what we have to mention, we have a delimiter for that. So we have to mention what? DLM equal to, so usually if we want to mention delimiter, in which statement we will mention? We have been seen, right? In infile statement. Here we already given infile statement. Can I mention it here? Yes, you can. Okay. Mention DLM equal to 09x. So this delimiter is used for tab. Okay. If something is separated by tab, if here see, where in desktop, so we have taken the person 1, right? So this one is separated by tab. See, let me try giving tab here. See, you have seen, right? For one tab it moved to here. Let me give another tab. It just moved to here, right? So if it is separated by tab, the shortcut is DLM equal to, in quotation, 09x. Okay, that's how you give DLM option. Okay, now I have given DLM. Let me try running this program. Now I got it, right? Can we go and check in Explorer? So we have saved it, right? What is the name? Lou. Did we got Lou? We got it, right? Guys,
You.
any questions?
No, ma'am.
So you got it, right? How to get SAS files into the SAS environment? I mean, sorry, files from your computer environment to the SAS.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, any questions so far for today's class?
No, ma'am. No question.
Let me try one example. I just want to show you misover in the same thing. After that I will leave you guys. Let me try it. Okay, where is it? Okay, I'm going to take person 1 only. In the person 1 I'm removing 1. Okay, what I did, I have removing one data value. Okay, what I'm doing, save. If I didn't save, I won't get it. Okay, now run the program. I have given the misover option. I have already told you, right, if there is any missing data value, especially in the lost variable, misover option works. Oh no, let me change the name, maybe it's rewriting. Now run the program. Oh, I already got this path right, so it's considering, I think, the same one. Let me take this off and go here, data files, person, properties, security, and here the path. Copy. Okay, but it didn't give me the exact one. I don't know what happened. Usually it should give like that, but because of that I changed the value. Maybe it's not giving me the correct proper. See, it should give dot text slash person dot text. I will show you guys this tomorrow because it didn't saved correctly, so that's why it's not giving the correct path. We will discuss about this tomorrow, and all the best guys. Bye, have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
You're
Bye, ma'am.
welcome. Bye.
Yes, ma'am.
Bye Ruchika. Bye Ramesh.
Bye, Chandra.